Today, we're taking a first and exclusive look at the beast that's making waves across construction sites and equipment expos worldwide, the 2026 Caterpillar D19. This isn't just another dozer. It's a next-generation earth-moving machine, built with power, intelligence, and operator comfort like we've never seen before. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the D19 commands respect. It's bold, it's massive, and it's undeniably Caterpillar. But the real magic starts when you look beyond the steel and into the tech that drives it. Caterpillar has been developing the D19 quietly for years, taking in feedback from operators, engineers, and site managers across the globe. What's emerged is a machine that doesn't just meet the demands of 2026, it anticipates them. Let's start with the engine. Under the hood, the D19 packs a newly upgraded Cat C18 hybrid powertrain, delivering over 640 horsepower. This isn't just raw diesel power, though. This is a diesel-electric hybrid, with regenerative braking, active load balancing, and even solar-assisted idle management. The result: more torque, less fuel burn, and reduced emissions across the board. And yes, it's fully Tier 5 compliant and meets EU Stage VI standards. Now let's talk about the big topic in the industry right now. The D19 isn't just partially automated. It's the first dozer in its class with fully integrated semi-autonomous capabilities right out of the factory. You can run it manually, sure, but operators can now switch to precision assist mode, where the onboard AI handles blade positioning, slope control, and obstacle avoidance using LiDAR and real-time GPS. What does that mean in practice? Reduced operator fatigue, fewer errors, and up to 30% more material moved per hour. And don't worry, the D19 still gives you full manual override at any time. It's not about replacing operators. It's about empowering them to do more with less effort. Climb into the cab, and you'll immediately notice the difference. Caterpillar has seriously stepped up its game with the redesigned operator environment. Gone are the clunky dashboards and rattling panels. In their place, you'll find a 15-inch Ultra HD touchscreen display, adjustable ergonomic controls, and a new 300 vision system that uses cameras and radar to show everything happening around the machine in real time. Even the seat has been upgraded. It's fully climate-controlled with biometric sensors that adjust support based on posture and fatigue. There's even voice control now, so you can adjust the blade angle or check fuel levels without lifting a finger. Another feature that's turning heads is Caterpillar's Smart Terrain AI system. It learns as it works literally over time. It adapts to the soil conditions, your operating habits, and even the wear patterns of the machine itself. It can suggest optimal load paths, preempt maintenance needs, and even adjust torque settings to improve traction in wet or uneven conditions. For site managers, this means fewer breakdowns and more predictable performance. For operators, it means working with a machine that feels less like a tool and more like a partner. Of course, number review of the D19 would be complete without talking about the blade. The new high-capacity, modular blade has been engineered for maximum visibility and control. It features integrated pressure sensors that continuously adjust tilt and pitch, allowing for smoother passes and tighter finishes. Whether you're pushing heavy rock or doing fine grading work, the D19 delivers pinpoint precision with minimal manual adjustment. And yes, the blade is fully interchangeable with previous generation attachments, so you're not stuck buying all new gear. Underneath, Caterpillar has reinforced the undercarriage with their new Armour track technology. We're talking about self-lubricating rollers, impact-resistant guard plates, and adaptive tensioning systems that maintain optimal track pressure across variable terrain. What this means for you is up to 25% longer track life and dramatically reduced downtime. And when it comes to servicing the D19, you'll be happy to know it's been redesigned with access in mind. All major maintenance points are reachable from ground level. The modular engine layout means faster part swaps. And every system is monitored via Cat's VisionLink platform, which sends alerts straight to your phone, tablet, or desktop. We also have to give a shout out to the machine's environmental credentials. The hybrid system alone cuts CO2 emissions by up to 40% compared to traditional dozers in the same class. It uses biodegradable hydraulic fluid, its components are over 90% recyclable, and the system can run in eco mode during light-duty tasks, extending fuel life significantly. Caterpillar isn't just building machines. They're clearly thinking about the future of the planet while doing it. One underrated but highly useful feature is the new remote operating mode. Using Cat Command, you can control the D19 from a safe distance, whether that's on-site from a trailer or halfway across the country. This is huge for hazardous sites, mining zones, or training environments. With haptic feedback and HD video streaming, operators maintain full control with none of the risk. And this tech isn't in beta, it's shipping with the machine. So who is the D19 really for? It's built for major construction contractors, mining operations, and heavy earth firms that demand durability, intelligence, and efficiency. It's overkill for small-scale operations, but for those pushing thousands of tons a week, it's an absolute game-changer. It replaces the aging D11s and D10Ts with something that's smarter, cleaner, and more capable. We spent a few hours running the D19 in a test quarry, and the impressions were unanimous. This machine doesn't feel like operating a dozer. It feels like commanding a robot tank. Smooth controls, insane pushing power, and a sense of ease that makes you wonder how we ever did this manually. The noise levels inside the cab are nearly silent, thanks to soundproofing and active noise canceling, and the responsiveness, unmatched. Whether you're adjusting the blade by millimeters or making a full turn under load, the D19 reacts instantly. Pricing hasn't been officially released, but early estimates put it north of $1.5 million depending on configuration. That said, the long-term savings in fuel, maintenance, and efficiency could easily make that back in 2 to 3 years for a busy site. Caterpillar also plans to offer it with leasing and financing options through their global dealer network. In short, the 2026 Caterpillar D19 is more than just a bulldozer. It's the new standard for smart, heavy machinery. Whether you're in the seat or managing a fleet, this is the kind of innovation that makes a real difference on the ground. If you get the chance to operate one or even see it in action, because this is what the future of construction looks like, and it's already here.